Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Midaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows update with error code 0x80070658 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and the error message show there were problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support or informations, this may help with the error code 0x80070658. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search app ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung troubleshoot settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa troubleshoot settings, under dito lang sa options, ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung other troubleshooters. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, ang next step, dito lang sa most frequent, under ito ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung Windows update. And then dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click to run. Click mo lang yan. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic procedure. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na troubleshooting has completed. So ang next step natin gagawin, so close lang natin to, and then next step, dito lang ulit sa search menu, click mo lang yan, and then dito sa search app, kailangan mo lang i-type yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter tong command keyword na dsm space/online space/cleanup-image space/restore health. So copy lang natin yan, and then next step, dito lang sa taas kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung edit, and then click mo lang dito yung paste, or pwede mo gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B, and then click mo lang yan, and then next press mo lang yung enter, and makikita mo kaagad dito yung deployment image, servicings, and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And then makikita mo na dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin na enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc space/scan now. So in all is small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang si start menu, at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po ka-simply on how to fix Windows update with error code 0x80070658 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.